every teacher's nightmare. Dolls that took over the school. Falling asleep in class is a bad omen. Now, Christy can't find the part she needs in her book. Here, my paper doll will help you. She'll show you the page you need. Print out a picture of a paper doll and some outfits. Then, cut the pieces out. Glue the doll onto thick paper using double-sided tape. And cut out the silhouette. Put paper outfits onto the doll. And use it as a bookmark. This paper lady will guard your place in your book. She'll always show you where you left off reading. Girls, who has a stapler? Here you go! A pink feathery delight. Make the shape of a flamingo head out of light pink clay. Paint a stapler pink. Glue the flamingo onto the tip. And attach a light clay tail onto the other side. Attach feathers along the sides. Decorate it with rhinestones. Paint a beak and eyes using acrylics. What a cute pink flamingo! This stapler is my new best friend. I think the flamingo got hungry. I need to feed it with some staples right now. My Barbie has some flamingo food in her purse. Clean a container of staples with nail polish remover. Color it with pink acrylic paint. Fix the edges of a velvet ribbon with a lighter and glue it onto the container like a long strap. Cover the bottom with the ribbon. Paint Barbie's logo white. Barbie's purse holds a whole bunch of staples. Now the flamingo won't be bored without anything to do. Great work, Birdie! Ouch! What a hit! This tape could turn into a mini pool. Make a cut from the inside of a big roll of tape. Take out the cardboard tube. Cut a circle of thin blue plastic along the perimeter. Bend the cuts inwards and glue it into the tape roll. That'll be the bottom of the pool. Color the inner walls of the pool with light blue acrylic paint. Make a ladder out of 2 pencils and pieces of a wooden skewer. Color the skewer pieces with a marker. Put blue slime into the pool and put a colorful bouncy ball in. Hey, Christy, share your slime. Excuse me, everyone, we're opening a new pool for our LOL dolls. Be sure to bring your swimsuits. Geometry class is turning into surfing class. Of course! That's why I have a ruler specifically for surfing. Roll polymer clay out in a thin layer. Cut out a surfboard shape. Adjust the edges to match your ruler. Bake it according to the clay package instructions. Color a flower, following a template. add details. Mark up the back like a ruler using acrylic paint. Cut a fin out of a black plastic folder and hot glue it to the edge. Get on the board and ride the wave of knowledge. But Miss Olivia doesn't share our love of the sea. We weren't playing in class, we promise. This isn't a doll, it's a pencil. Wrap the doll's legs in polymer clay. Put lead from a pencil in, like a heel. Cover the heel with clay, making the shape of a boot. Remove the doll's head and bake the body for around 3 minutes at 175 degrees. Make lace holes using acrylic paint on the boots once they've cooled. Glue on a tied lace made out of a thin strip of foam paper. We beat the system again! Miss Olivia can't take away our school supplies! This surfboard measures the height of waves, which means our surfing lessons can continue. Now, my LOL doll has a new accessory. This bow might even come in handy in class. Hold an LOL doll with smooth hair against some paper and draw a bow. Cut it out. Cut the bow shape out of an eraser. Smooth out the edges. Remove the plastic ring from a container of paint and glue the bow onto it. Decorate the joint with a ribbon. Paint folds on the bow with acrylics. Check out my eraser design! This eraser bow looks great on my LOL doll's head. The girls are arguing over whose pencil case is better. What a waste of time! Everybody knows that my LOL pencil case is the best. Draw a big LOL doll on a sheet of paper. Cut it out. Trace the shape on soft beige felt. Turn it over, picture side down. Trace it on pink felt. Cut the pictures into pieces and cut the pieces out of thin colored felt. Glue the pieces onto the beige background. Color white felt eyes with acrylics. Paint a mouth and a nose. Make pockets for her dress out of Velcro. And hairbands. Attach the other side of the Velcro to decorative pieces and decorate her hair. Attach a second outfit set onto the dress made out of felt or tulle. Make a lengthwise cut on the pink part of the pencil case. And glue in a zipper. Glue the two pieces together. Put school supplies inside. Incredible! You can change this pencil case's outfits. No doubt about it, the LOL case wins! Megan's desk looks more like a garbage dump. Clean up right now! Ah! I think our dear friend is having some trouble staying organized. She needs help from our magical doll organizer. Cut open a big plastic bottle. Cut the neck off using a heated utility knife. Put an old doll inside and hot glue it. Poke openings in the bottle with a heated knife. Make the holes bigger using scissors. Clean the surface using rubbing alcohol. Protect the doll with Saran wrap. Cover the bottle with white spray paint. Then paint it pink. Gather a strip of tulle and tie it around the doll like a top. Make a belt out of velvet ribbon. Decorate the skirt with petals of tulle. Put pens and pencils into the holes. This doll will help you. She'll hold on to all your school supplies and keep your desk clean and tidy. Did you like our sneaky school ideas? Let us know in the comments about how you'll bring your dolls into school. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell so you don't miss new school life hacks from Troom.